Hi, in this video we will learn Illustrator. Okay, so this is our first video. So first of all we have to create a new file. So for this we will click on file, then click on new, and then we have to write our name. Let's suppose class 1, and then press enter. And okay, so this is the tools. You have click on this. The first tool is called selection tool. This is called direct selection tool, and this is called rectangle tool. We have different shapes: rectangle, rounded rectangle, ellipse, polygon, star, flare tool. So let's create a shape with rectangle tool. Just click and drag, so you have a new rectangle like this. So this we have a rectangle, and this is outline and shape. So if I select this rectangle, and on the left side you can see this area is white area is called the fill. It means inside of this, and the outline is this one, the black. This is called the outline or stroke. The next step is, if I click ellipse, so you can draw an ellipse like this. And if you can create a rounded rectangle, so you wanna create like this, and you can create star like this. Okay, let's create a new shape. So I am going to take ellipse tool and holding the shift key to make a proper and smooth circle like this. Now I am going to double click on this area to fill the color. So let's put this one, and if I zoom in, so you can see the outline of this orange with black. So if I want to remove this outline, so just select this circle first, then click on this outline mode. Just click on this none, so the outline will be removed. Okay, like this. So I am going to just make a new circle like this, and let's pose like this, and this time I will fill this with the white color like this, and one more here and one more here like this. And now I want to make a new circle like this. This time I will choose the green color. Just drag your cursor like this and fill this with the green color like this. And so we have two circles that are overlap, and in this side we have a new shape. So how to form this new shape, the leaf shape? Just click on this shape builder tool and hold the alt key. So you have a minus sign with the selection tool. Just click on that, so it will minus the leaf. So you have a leaf like this, and you can rotate it like this, the 45-degree, and you can also rotate this like this here. Select both, and you can drag this down and place it here. You can just change its color to, so this is our first class with draw and orange. Okay, I hope you learn new things, and in my upcoming videos we will learn different tools, and I will teach you all about the Illustrator, how to create art and use and draw something new. Stay tuned. Thank you.